Yo. What's up? What's going on each and every one of you, wherever you are watching me from? My name is Benedicta. So today, welcome to my kitchen, guys. So they always say when you want to cook, you cook with a lot of love. That's why today I'm welcoming you to my kitchen. So today we are going to cook matumbos fry. I'm going to prepare matumbo fry today for my family. So I just all of you to give me company as we cook. So with me right here, I have all the things that I want to use. I have my matumbo right here. They are here. They are not so much because we are only doing the house. I have my matumbo. I have my mafuta. I have the chumvi I want. I have my ingredients right here. They're all the ingredients that I want to use. I have my onions ready, my garlic, my hoho, my coriander. Dania anyway. My coriander or parsley leaves, they are ready. And I have my ginger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the matumbos na soup yenye iko nayo first because I want to make fry matumbos. So I'm going to separate the soup from the matumbos so that if you want to make soup from it, you can make it. But for me, I'm going to make fry matumbos first before I make the soup. Oh. So there we go. My matumbos are dry but not that dry. At least I've separated the soup from the matumbos. Next thing I'm going to grate my ginger. It's too small because let me just wash my hands first. Plus the matumbos. Plus not matumbos, the ginger. So I'm going to grate the ginger before I mix it with the onions first. Ouch. Hello. My ginger is too small because the matumbos are not so many. So nataka tu ginger kidogo yenye itaweka harufu vizuri. So my ginger is ready. I'm going to mix with the onions before I put them on the fire. So everything is... My ginger is well grated. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to open the fire, put my sufuria on the fire, and then reduce my moto. I'm going to punguza the moto, staki moto mingi, and add my onions. I will add my onions. I will add my garlic. And I'm going to add my hoho. Mix all of them. I'm going to add my oil, cooking oil, kidogo tu, because matumbo zangu si mingi. Ni kidogo. So I'm going to mix all of them first. I'm going to mix all of them. Baka iko na ile somehow golden brown, but I'm going to reduce the fire. Inakaa mingi sana. Yeah. There we go. So I'm going to leave the mixture of onions, garlic and ginger plus hoho ishike mafuta vizuri. Ishike mafuta vizuri. For them to be okay, to be nice. It smells so nice. Just let's leave it for some minutes. niongeze moto. Let's leave our onions, our hoho, our dania, not dania, our garlic and ginger ishike mafuta vizuri before you weka your matumbos. Before you put your matumbos inside, as you can see, sijui kama kamera iona vizuri, the ginger imeanza kutana, at this somehow golden brown. Of course hoho haiwezi change because it's green in color, so inakuanga ngumu sana change. But as for the ginger, you can see imeturn pole pole. You can see the way it is. So you can see iko inashika mafuta vizuri vizuri vizuri. You can leave it. As we are leaving it, you can take my parsley leaves karibu, and then my matumbos. So the only thing I'm going to make sure ni sina any of the soup remaining here with the matumbos, ni separate kabisa, so that I can make soup different from the matumbo soup. So I can see aina any imeisha yote. So you can see it has turned golden brown. So now, so I'm going to add my matumbo inside. Oh, there we go. Matumbo zetu ziko inside. So after dipping in your matumbos, you can cover for some minutes before you start what do we call it? Stirring. Like before uendelee na anything, unaiacha for some minutes, like 2 minutes, so that, and then after that unaanza what do we call it? Kuchanganya, like the matumbos and all the mixture yenye umeweka iweze kushikana vizuri. So let's just leave it for some 2 minutes, and then tuangalie moto wetu kama iko sawa, everything is okay. We can leave it for 2 minutes, then we come back and start stirring kuku. Kizungu kubwa. We can leave it tuweze kuchanganya all of them. So let's leave it and then so guys, 2 minutes are over right now. Hey, you can see, just come karibu kidogo. You can see vile imeshikana our matumbos and the mixture ya all our ingredients. You can see the way it is. So before I proceed, nilikuwa nimesahau kuweka chumvi, ndaongeza chumvi yangu kidogo tu, so that it's gonna a lot of salt. The matumbos si mingi vile. That's enough. So I'm going to stir mpaka ishikane all of them, ishike vizuri. So you can see it's really smelling nice now. But bado unaona saa mafuta ziko ndani, so we have to leave it mpaka mafuta inyonye kabisa kwa matumbo. Ukiona mafuta bado iko, that means bado ijashika vizuri, iko very very dry. Yes. So as you can see bado iko na tumafuta. We can leave it for some 1 minute more iweze kunyonya hayo mafuta vizuri. As our salt ikiingia vizuri pia. And make sure all the ingredients yenye inabaki kwa the spoon urudishe ishike ndani vizuri. So we can cover it for maybe 30 seconds, then tuangalie kama mafuta imeisha, and then tuongeze our parsley leaves. So 30 minutes, see you. So as you can see right now, at least mafuta imeisha, matumbo zimeshikana with all the ingredients. At least I want any ingredients yenye iko hanging, imehang anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my parsley leaves ama dania. Tuiweke tu ya harufu ishike vizuri again. Ongeza dania yako yenye. But it depends with the amount ya food yenye unataka kupika. For us matumbo ni kidogo, so nimeweka tu dania kidogo. Even all the ingredients hata mafuta, everything you have to measure according to the amount of food yenye, the quality of food yenye unapika. So as you can see dania zinaonekana, sijui kama unaziona. As you can see dania inaonekana it's greenish. Of course the last thing in anything you are cooking, in any food you are cooking, dania lazima ikuwe ya mwisho, but it depends vile unataka kupika food yako. But mostly people prefer dania ikuwe the last one. So as you can see my matumbo ziko very ready. Ziko very ready for now. You can see mafuta si mingi on. Yeah. Mafuta si mingi isipokuwa ile yenye imeshika tu na ingredients. So one thing about cooking fry matumbo si usiweke a lot of mafuta. If you want to cook your matumbo very fry, usiweke mafuta mingi. But anyway, it depends with the matumbo yenye unataka kupika, the amount of matumbo yenye unataka kupika. But for us, whichever the amount of matumbo yenye unataka kupika, because even some matumbo inakuanga na mafuta. So reduce the amount of oil you are using so that iweze kushika and iweze kunyonya the amount of mafuta yenye unaweka yote. And matumbo yako iweze kukua fry kabisa. Oh, I forgot to tell you that tulikuwa tumechemsha matumbo kitambo, so ilikuwa ready. You can see the way it is. Iko very ready now. Mafuta hakuna. You can see now. You can see the way they look like. It's so yummy hata kama hujakula. But it smells so tasty. So matumbo zetu ziko ready now. Matumbo ziko very ready. So what I'm going to do right now is naenda kufunika matumbo nizime moto, and then I'm going to tengeneza from the soup ya matumbo, nitengeneze matumbo soup from a different sufuria with different ingredients, so that kitu yenye mtakula na it depends. You can use it with food, ugali or chapatis. Like for us today we are going to cook chapatis. So I'm supposed to make soup from the matumbo soup and onions and different ingredients. So let's zima our gas and then tutengeneze ingredients ya soup. See you. They always say when you cook with a lot of love. So part 2 of cooking, I'm going to make the matumbo soup from the soup yenye nilitoa from the matumbo. So I need some ingredients. Hii lazima ndaeka nyanya because ndaka soup ya kukula nayo. So I have my onions, then kukata my onion right now. My onion. Izungu kubwa. So ndakata my onion. I need onion. The process is same, but now for this I have to use some tomatoes. I have 1 piece of garlic. I'm going to cut it. This is just very simple because naenda kutengeneza soup. Sitaki ginger because already nimeka ginger kwa matumbo. So I have my piece of hoho. Ndakata kwa pieces ndogo ndogo. very easy, so that upate soup ya kutumia with the food, with the ipo stew with the food yenye unaenda kutumia, either mchele, either ugali or chapatis, whichever can do. So mix the onions and garlic and hoho ziko ready. Naenda kukata dania yangu, hata kama hii ndio the last one I'm going to use. Of course nimeosha everything. Sisemi Benedicta uoshangi achiwe ni nasi. Aoshangi ndo utuonyeshe. I've washed everything. Of course hygiene lazima ikue. So my parsley leaves ziko very ready. So nakata my onions because now hii ndio the main ya kutengeneza soup plus the soup yenye umetoa kwa matumbo. So nakata my tomatoes, not onions, tomatoes. Ndio tuweze kupata inatengeneza soup ikuwe soup vizuri. Then it will make very healthy soup for you and your family, for you and your boyfriend, for you and your fiancé. Ama hata wewe peke yako unaweza jipikia, si lazima upikie mtu. So my tomatoes is already. I'm going to apply the same process. My sufuria, mafuta kidogo, chumvi kidogo. Yeah. So I have my soup ile nilitoa iko hapa ready, but ni kidogo ndaongeza maji. I have my chumvi iko hapa and my mafuta. So come with me. Process the same ile. I'm going to wash to open my fire. And then nipunguze isichome sufuria. Niweke everything yenye nataka. Nianze na mixture ya onions, hoho and garlic. Niweke hizo kwanza ndio niweze kupata the I can put this one here and rest hapa as I put my mafuta and salt. So ndaika mafuta kidogo because pia we don't want a lot of soup ama ikuwe too oily. Kidogo tu because ni nenya suppose liver. And also my salt. I think that's enough. Leave them to be ichomeke kwa moto. It depends. Watu wengine huwa wanaanza na mafuta, or you can start with the ingredients, whichever way is fine. Inategemea how you want them to be. Inategemea ya mazoea, umezoea aje. So tuache. Ni kama ni hizi kwa kubwa vitunguu. But it's okay, haina shida yoyote. So naweza weka kidogo as I clear here, niweke hizi vitu zangu huko. Sorry. Naweza weka hizo hapo. Niwache hiyo ikuwe ready. I'm cooking. Go sit down. Okay? Yeah. So I'm going to wake up my tomatoes. Okay. I'm going to put inside my tomatoes. Iweze kuiva vizuri before niongeze soup. So hii ndio lazima uache kwanza ive vizuri. So let's leave our potatoes. Potatoes is sweet potatoes. Let's leave our tomatoes ive vizuri kwanza because this is the one yenye, that's our main aim yenye na make the soup. So tuache ive kwanza vizuri before we add our soup and our parsley leaves. So see you. Our tomatoes kama ziko ready. You have to stir very well. One thing, if you want to make your soup very different from the matumbo, you have to use tomatoes zenye zimeiva vizuri, nyanya zimeiva vizuri, for it to make a very good soup for you and your family or your fiancé or your boyfriend or your husband or you yourself. You can see I'm stirring very well. Niweze kuona kama kuna yenye haijaiva vizuri. as you can see the way my tomatoes ziko zimeiva vizuri. Nani, stop. So you can see my tomatoes ziko very ready na zimeiva vizuri, zimechanganya na the ingredients very well. So I'm going to add the soup from the matumbo, because hiyo ndo tunatengeneza wa soup nayo. Ndio hiyo hapo ndani nimeweka everything. Ustar kidogo, just stir very well, but naona ikiwa very kidogo ndio ongeza maji kidogo, so that it can be enough for us. So it depends also with the number of people you are cooking for, and also the number of people and the amount of soup yenye unataka. It depends with the number of people you are preparing the food for. So ndaongeza maji iko enough. It's enough for me. I think that's enough. This is enough for all of us, the three of us, me, Nadia, and the nanny. So as you can see the way it is right now, ndio hiyo. Haina mafuta mingi, I shine a lot. So I'm going in the cover for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then niongeza our parsley leaves, and then we remove it. So see you after 5 minutes. Shake. This way. Shake. So 5 minutes are over, and you can see our soup is very ready. Hata tumeover it. So I'm going to add our parsley leaves ama the dania, ndio itengeneze tu vizuri soup. Just weka all your parsley leaves. Hiyo ni dania in English. Hello. So just stir very well. So you can see the way it is. You can see vile iko very well. Still in a boil, but now our soup iko ready. Our soup iko ready plus the dania iko ready, because si lazima dania ive. So everything iko ready. So ndafunga just for like 10 seconds, and then so thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video. I'm supposed to do a video. I have the most frequent answered question. A lot. So one day I'll sit down and then I'll do the video about the most asked questions. So see you in the next time. Bye bye.